Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here. Today we're going to dive into an emailing program called Mail Elite. Now, one thing that is important to note is this is by the same creators as Send Engine. This is like their newer addition. So, if you watched the Send Engine review and you liked some of the features, but you haven't purchased it yet, then don't worry. Purchase this one instead because it has more advanced stuff. Now, that being said, if you have purchased Send Engine and you want to get Mail Elite, reach out to the support, drop a comment in this video or in the last video, and I'll help you out as well. And you can see if you can upgrade from Send Engine to Mail Elite for a discounted price. So you can check that out and see if that option is available by working with support. And I can also contact them on behalf of you as well if you are interested and if you aren't being able to get through to them. So that is out there available. So here it is. We're going to dive into Mail Elite and you are going to see all of the upgrades since Send Engine. So here we go. This is the dashboard that you're going to see when you log in. You can see it's pretty similar to different things that we've explored like Mail Primo and those other spots where it has a dashboard on the side and also different things on the front. I kind of like the color scheme, although it is a little bit different or a little kind of techno-y, confusing sometimes, but that's okay. So as we get through this, there are a bunch of different options here: dashboard, list, email, forms, subscriber. There's a little arrow so we can click that. Add subscribers, all subscribers, custom fields. So like if you want to add a phone number, address, or whatever in addition to name, email. Templates. So this one has templates, and then it also has statistics, which you also see, and of course support, which you also see down here, some statistics. All right, so let's get started. First thing we probably want to do would be to create a form. So you're going to create this form and then you're going to embed it on your website or somewhere, and then people are going to opt in and get added to your list. So you would do that, or you could do this after you start a list. So let's start with the list. Either one, you can do whatever order you like. Enter list name. We're going to do test, good old-fashioned test. Create list. Boom, list created successfully. Look at that. There it is. And then it refreshes on us, and there we go. List created. Let's go back to the dashboard. It's loading. All right. Add subscriber. We got to put a subscriber in our list. So we can do it in two ways: upload file from PC or add subscribers one by one. Uploading files kind of nice if you got a list. Adding subscribers one by one. Here we go. Enter email, test@test.com. First name, if we have it, test. Next. And there we go. There is their list. Now it says compose, so we're good. Add one by one to list. If we check that, go down, hit next. The list has been sent for review. All right, subscribers added successfully. So now we'll have one subscriber in that list. Let's go to email. All right, enter list name. We can create a list. Wait a minute, we went to email. What's going on? Why are we in lists? Here we go. Must have refreshed. All right, new message. We can see the sent. We can check our schedule, and we can see the outbox, so any of them that are pending scheduled. Right now I don't have any, so let's start out with a new message. Plain text and inline editor, so that's different from the other one, Send Engine. So we're going to go with plain text. Now, one thing about this is it doesn't appear that we have autoresponder capability like Send Engine with our previous version, so that's something we're going to find out. Message name, test, of course. Sender name, we'll do a test, of course. All right, from email. We've got my email there, and then reply email can be there. Now it's important you can add new emails, which would then bring you to the email adding page where you can add your email, and then they'll send you a verification message. You got to click on the link and verify it. Then your email will show up in this drop down. All right, choose the server. So this is your SMTP server. I've added one through Mailgun. It was probably the easiest process I've ever done in my life. All I did was paste in the Mailgun API, give it a name, and bam, it said it was added and it was tested and verified. So that was pretty awesome. Took me about 30 seconds. All right, we've got all that filled in. We'll hit next. All right, here we go. Step 2, compose. Title name is going to be test. This is the subject. And here we go. This is a test message. I hope you're having a great day. All right, we can even test it. Enter the email here where I want it sent, send it, and then you can see if the message works. All right, hit next. Okay, step 3, description. Select your target list. So it's kind of different. This isn't really description. This would be where you want it sent. So we're going to send it to the test list with 1 subscriber. We'll hit next. And step 4, send. So when do we want it to send? We can either send it immediately, right now, like if we want to do a newsletter or a broadcast or something, or we can schedule it. So let's do schedule, because we know what immediately means. Day, well, we can choose any time we want. Time, we can choose any time we want. They even give you a cool thing right here that says, please set time according to UTC -6 time zone. Okay, current UTC time is invalid. So why? Why is it invalid? We don't know. Mail will be sent after that many hours. Let's see what happens if we hit submit. Your email has been scheduled. So that's just a little error. Current UCT is invalid date. Well, it looked like it worked. Scheduled, it's automatically refreshing. Okay, and there we go. Sent mail list has nothing. Let's go to schedule. There it is. There's our scheduled message. We can action it and either view it or delete it. So there's our scheduled test message. That was pretty cool. Let's check out forms now. We can create a form. This is pretty simple here. Form name will be a test. We'll do it for our test list. Next. All right, now this is awesome. They give us some templates. Don't miss out. Enter your email, a couple subscribes, newsletter. Let's do this one. Select it. Of course, it's going to be test. You know the drill. Okay, don't miss out. We can fully customize it. First name, email address. Now remember, if we wanted to get like a phone number, that would be in custom forms under subscriber, custom field. So we could add a custom field that we could input here for their phone number. All right, so that's cool. We're going to leave that alone. Update preview, save. Form has been published successfully. So now we've got our form. Let's see how we can embed that. Look at this. It gives us an HTML code, style sheet. Oh man, it's really long. We can copy that whole thing, paste it into the website, and then we have a form. So that's pretty nice. Subscriber, we've been through here. We can see all subscribers right there. There's my test at test.com. Let's go to templates before we wrap it up. All right, we've got a templates gallery where we can get more, and my templates. So here are the different templates that we can select. You can preview them. You can use any of these for what you like. Fill in your own information, and you're good to go. So that's pretty cool. Let's go back home to the dashboard. And as you can see, Mail Elite is a very basic emailing program. It's something that is super simple to use, and it's not very difficult. In addition, like I said, it was pretty easy to add in the different things that I needed. Also, I'll show you real quick. You just go to servers right here, and you can easily add your different server. It doesn't have a ton of different options, but it has a few. You can do SMTP, Gmail, Outlook, Mailgun, and SendGrid. It's super easy. I did Mailgun, and in 30 seconds I was up. Let's try a Gmail, because this is kind of cool. You can go to this link and approve Mail Elite to be able to access your Gmail account. Then you put in a name, your Google username, so that would be like your email address, and then your Google password. You hit save, bam, now all of a sudden you are sending using your Google account. So this is really cool. There's only one other emailing program that I've found out has been able to do this, and that is something called Mailjeet, which I purchased about 2.5 years ago, and it was absolutely horrible. And it's on Windows only, so I haven't done a review of it yet, but I will in the future just so you can experience how terrible it was. That is something that they said you could use Google. I think there might be another one, maybe like MailZingo, that could use Google, but that was a script that you had to load up on your cPanel, and it was really kind of a nightmare, so I haven't done that one either. In fact, I probably refunded it. But anyway, this is cool because you can use your Gmail or your Google account to do all of your sending, so that's really handy. All right, so you saw servers, from and reply emails. This was simple. Like I said, you just add your email, you verify it, they'll send you an email, boom, and it's confirmed. So that was neat. And that's it. So, Mail Elite, it's not an autoresponder. That's the only thing I don't like about it. Otherwise, it's very easy to use. It's very easy to create a message, a form. They have templates for you. It has text editor or inline editor, so that's nice. It's also web-based, so you can use it fully on Mac or PC from anywhere. You can store your subscribers, upload them, whatever the case may be. They don't need to go through any type of verification. So if you have an existing list, that's awesome. You can just upload it and it's done. So Mail Elite is a cool program. If it's for you, you can pick it up in the description below. There will be a link there. Go ahead, try it out, buy it, use it, and help it to allow you to be more successful with your emailings and your marketing campaigns that you need to send out for newsletters. If you're looking for more of an autoresponder, then you probably are not going to want Mail Elite. You're going to want something else, probably like ArpReach or a different type of mail program, of which you can see in the playlist that I have with all of the different mail programs. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions, you want any mailing programs reviewed, or any questions, feel free to post them in the comments below.